Nestled in the desirable Iron Ridge neighborhood of Roca, Nebraska, 3129, Abbotsford Lane is a contemporary two-story residence that seamlessly blends modern design with functional living. Built in 2022, this 2,680 square foot home offers a harmonious balance of style and comfort, making it an ideal choice for discerning homeowners. Main level, open concept living area. As you enter, you're greeted by a spacious and inviting main floor that promotes effortless flow between spaces, perfect for both daily living and entertaining. Gourmet Kitchen. The heart of the home features an expansive island, abundant cabinetry, stainless steel appliances, and a convenient walk-in pantry, catering to both casual meals and formal gatherings. Outdoor access. Adjacent to the kitchen, sliding glass doors lead to a generous 37 by 10-foot patio, extending your living space outdoors. An additional 23 by 20-foot patio within the fully vinyl-fenced backyard offers ample space for relaxation and entertainment. Upper level, primary suite. The luxurious primary bedroom boasts a well-appointed ensuite bathroom and a spacious walk-in closet, providing a private retreat. Additional bedrooms and amenities. 3 additional bedrooms share a centrally located full bathroom. A versatile media center offers space for entertainment or study, while a conveniently situated laundry room enhances daily living. Additional features. Energy efficiency. Constructed with 2 by 6 exterior walls, effective blown-in blanket insulation, low-E glass windows, and a 95% efficient natural gas furnace and water heater, the home is designed for comfort and sustainability. Future expansion potential. The basement is roughed in, presenting an opportunity for customization to suit your specific needs. Seller incentive. The seller is offering to cover up to 2% of the buyer's costs/needs, adding significant value to this already enticing property. Priced at $484,000, 3129, Abbotsford Lane represents a unique opportunity to own a nearly new home in a sought-after community. Its thoughtful design, modern amenities, and prime location make it a standout choice for those seeking a blend of comfort and convenience in Roca, Nebraska.